I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Kevin may have had fun gloating, but karma has a way of biting you in the behind, sometimes with hot coffee. Kevin was working on the project, and I took a little bit of warm coffee and tipped it down his pants. He didn't like that very much. I think these pranks between Kevin and I are really shows of affection.
You have ruined my day with that.
It's in my underwear, man.
Although I have no doubt that Kevin's going to be looking for revenge.
This is a nice rug you're cutting up, man.
I know.
Tied the whole room together.
I should have known that the dude was up to something. I guess I kind of had it coming to me. Kevin was working on the project, and I took a little bit of warm coffee and tipped it down his pants.
It's in my underwear, man.
When you start a fight like that, you got to expect that the other guy's going to come out swinging. So I decided to put some glue in that spot. I didn't know if I was going to get away, but luckily I did. Because he was super duper mad.
You started it.
I started it. I didn't put glue down.
You put coffee.
This is worse than the other stuff.
You know what? I don't care. You deserve it.
It's on. It's on.